You know, I don't like wearing gloves. I said that so many times. But when I do, it's always for a reason. I'm about to show you something probably you never seen it before. I can't believe how people live like this, you know. This customer brought me his iPhone. He said his son was using, he dropped it and it's cracked like this. It's working, you can see the light on the side right here and there. Let's check this out. So he left it, he said that he's gonna come pick it up later, but when I took the case off, right, and look at that, how disgusting it is. Like, you know, some people is unbelievable. I don't know what that is. Like, there is hair here, small, and look at this case and look at the condition of the phone. See, like gloves stick on those, you cannot even do nothing. So we're gonna fix the screen on this one and we're gonna deep clean this iPhone and this case as well. We are going to clean the frame first and then we will fix the screen. This looks like French fries and you see the DNAs. There are DNAs all over. Probably they never took the case out. That's why it's thick like that. Get the speakers, it's all filled with dirt. Get that. You can't hear anything from those. He was saying it's so low when he plays something. You can tell why, right? Of course, you cannot charge it too. Look at that. Look how gross is this? This is oil. It's not even coming off. I'm trying to use the plastic razor so this way it won't get scratches. I don't want him to tell me, I give you brand new, but you scratch it up. dirt over the camera. Can use the volume button to put it on silent. How old do you think the kid is? Leave it in comment. Surgery time. You can see the dirt right here on the screen frame as well. The good thing, we're gonna replace the whole screen. Guitar picks, my best helper. We will transfer Face ID to new screen. We are going to transfer his data on the new screen. Screen is fixed. We're gonna put everything back together and start deep cleaning the case. Time to deep clean this gross case and this fries, I guess. Look at the DNA already. So gross. They don't want to buy new cases, guys. They never remove the case. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, search. Can I get a wow? Look at that. No more dirt. Looks like brand new again. See the camera? Of course, you wanna see the case too, right? Look at that. Look at that.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow,